everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So if you follow me on Instagram, which I highly suggest you do, it's Lesley Adina over there as well. You may know that I recently spent about a week or so in New York City, and just to let you know, this video is far from being the only one that I'm going to post over the next couple of weeks. I did film a lot in New York City, both like luxury related but also touristy stuff, so be on the lookout for the vlogs to come. But I thought I'd kick off my New York City vlog series with a vlog of the Louis Vuitton X Nike Air Force by Virgil Abloh exhibition that was going on in Brooklyn, and I tried to film as much as possible and get like close-up shots. So if you're interested in one particular design, I hope this video will be helpful for you to give you a better idea of what the shoes look like in person. And upon entry of the exhibition, you also got handed one of these like information fact sheets, and I'm going to insert a close-up like slow panning shot over the information sheet towards the end of the video. But for now, I guess let's go.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop
for being so naive. When life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, field. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Just gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage.
And there you have it. That already does it for today's video. I really hope this video was interesting or entertaining, I guess. In particular, if you didn't get a chance to go to the exhibition. I think the last day was the 31st of May, so it's over already, which is quite a shame because, yeah, it was really fascinating. Even for someone like me who isn't really that much of a sneakerhead. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. And I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos. Bye.
But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granted justice and crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why I rap sheet, the only place we fit it in.